Are you ready for a magical Christmas? Well, this is called Winter Tales, and this is brand new from our friends at Stamperia. Now, this is 12 by 12. There are 10 sheets, but in addition to that, or included in that count, there are 77 cutouts. So let me open this up and start showing you. So these you'll need to cut out. Many of them are in English. A few of them are in Spanish, so that's what we have. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Just absolutely gorgeous. And on the back side, I would say a little bit plainer, except it's beautifully embellished. And here is very wintry Once Upon a Time with that reindeer. And the back side is an all-over pattern. And here we have our princess and the robins in the tree. And on the back side, again, another pattern. Here is the beginning, or even more of those cutouts. All of the elements that you've just seen in a scaled down version. The back side, as always, is a little bit plainer. Here is just absolutely exquisite. And you may be wondering how you would use this if you're a card maker. If you're a scrapbooker, you know your photos are going to go here. If you're a card maker, though, you can certainly get 4 cards out of every single one of these. Now, that might be some creative cutting to do that, but it's going to do a good job. Winter Tales. There's the back side. There she is again. I'm dreaming of. And in the back, again, an all-over pattern. Far, far away, it says. Just a cottage in the woods. And another scene. Pretty bird down at the corner, and an all over. Here we have some poinsettias. They're kind of scattered all over that piece, and on the back side, more of the 77 cutouts. It's simple to cut out too, so that's really nice. Now the ones on the back side, beautiful, are a little bit more intricate, so you might just want to cut just kind of around, maybe leaving a little bit of a white edge. That's fine. It's your choice. Now, in addition, there are several things to go with this, and I'm delighted that they have done chipboard. Chipboard is a wonderful thing, we think. This one is called Hope Winter's Tale, and this is a just Magic Winter's Tale, because you can see it says magic there. This one is a larger one, and it is also just called Winter's Tale. This is a 6 by 6 chipboard, so you can see that all 3 of those are just going to go beautifully with them. Now, also, there is more. There are the die cuts, and the die cuts are exquisite because it's the same art that's used on the papers, and there are so many of them. There are 43 of the chipboard pieces, and they've got some words, but most of them is imagery. So they're just gorgeous, and you can see them on the individual product page too. Now, I'm not even done. We also have some rice paper for which the company is well known, and here we have, this is the cards, I believe, is what it's called. Yes, Cards, Winter's Tale, and here we have the Far, Far Away rice paper. And here we have the poinsettia texture. You can kind of see how translucent they are. And there's more. There is the rounds, and there's also the castle tails. I think this one, although they're both rounds, this one has a name because it's got the castle on it. This is the round. So all of these, so you've got many rice papers, you've got the chipboard, you've got the you've got the cutouts, die cuts rather, and you've got the papers. All of them beautifully coordinated, all of them in stock now.